OPPO already confirmed the launch of Find X8 Ultra, Find X8s, and Find X8s Plus smartphones in China on April 10th. Today, the company has posted the official renders of the phones. The Find X8 Ultra, the company's flagship smartphone, will feature a flat screen, and the image shows dual periscope telephoto cameras. It comes in moonlight white, morning light, and Hoshino black colors. This is OPPO Find X8s, X8s Plus, and X8 Ultra official retail boxes. Now leaks OPPO Find X8 Ultra live shots. It feature a flat display. The camera module in the other image showcases a distinctive circular design with a sophisticated dual-tone finish. The OPPO Find X8 Ultra is featuring the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, potentially paired with 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. The phone is to launch with the latest ColorOS 15 build, an alert slider, an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. OPPO Find X8 Ultra feature a 6.8-inch OLED display with 2K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. OPPO Find X8 Ultra camera module layout: a 1-inch 50-megapixel Sony LYT900 main sensor, alongside a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 50-megapixel Sony IMX9063X periscope telephoto camera, and a 50-megapixel Sony IMX8826X periscope telephoto camera. A 32-megapixel sensor will handle selfies. OPPO Find X8 Ultra powered by a 6000 mAh battery with support for 100W wired and 80W wireless charging. The phone also has both IP68 and IP69 certifications. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.